I've got a rectangle in front of me, and it looks like I've got 3 wires in the bottom hand left corner. I've got an abort button in the middle on the top with a cover over it, and then I've got the 4 code boxes on the right. So let's start with the 4 code boxes on the right. Is that okay?
I'm just trying to find where you are.
What 4 code box?
Is this
So
a
you
more...
describe it better?
We'll go back to the wires, and I've got 3 wires.
Okay,
Right.
3 wires.
So yeah, the top one's a blue wire, the middle and the bottom are both white.
So if the last wire is white,
So again?
the solution we've got is if there are no red wires, cut the second wire. Otherwise, if the last wire is white, cut the last wire. Otherwise, if there is more than 1 blue wire, cut the last blue wire. Otherwise, cut the last wire. Any of them describe it. Do you say what to describe the last 2 ones as being?
So top one's blue, middle and bottom are both white.
So it's the last wire is
White.
white. Cut the last wire.
Cut the bottom white.
If there is more than
There's
one
not more.
blue, isn't it? Only one
There's only
blue.
one blue,
One
Jane.
blue.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so if the
cut
last
the last
wire
wire.
is white, cut the last wire.
How do I cut it?
Lean a little bit down so it highlights.
Ah, yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, I've got a strike.
Oh no,
Oh.
that's odd then.
Mm.
It's not that one then, James, so we can have a look.
Right, if there's no red wires, cut the second one.
So there's no red wires there.
No.
There wasn't any, right, move on.
Alright, so the top right corner, okay, I've got the 4 little hieroglyphics.
Yeah.
In the top left is like a H with a wine glass with a semicircle on the bottom.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then below that is an upside down P with like a little line along the base of
yeah,
the P. Then on the bottom right is a smiley face with a little tongue coming out.
Yeah.
And then the top right is a backward P. It looks like a note in a music.
Okay.
So only one column below has all 4 of the symbols from the keypad.
So you've got that smiley one, and what's the other one?
That H. You say the H with like a wine glass at the front.
Yeah, and an upside down semicircle on the bottom.
Right, so it's a hollow triangle on the top of that
Yes,
H, is
that's
it?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I got 144.
press the 4 buttons in order the symbols appear from the top one. See, it's not on there.
Okay, just having a look through it now.
You can't unless it goes that way, which it doesn't. So it's a P. That one there. There it is. There. A B, a P.
On the smiley face.
So the order you've got to press the 4 buttons and they will appear on the top and bottom. It would be the back to front P.
Yeah.
What looks like a music.
Yeah.
Sign.
Like, yeah.
Press that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the P with a
Looks
little
like a
bit
B.
that looks like
Yeah.
a B.
Yeah.
A little line through it. Then your wine glass in an H.
Yeah.
And then the smiley face.
Yay. Okay. Now there's a abort button. Do I press the abort button? I've got 35
Top
seconds.
to the bottom within the column. That's all it says.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure what this is. I expect something to do with it. Oh, it doesn't say press a abort button on it.
25 seconds.
Press it. What the hell?
That's red.
No,
That's 2 strikes.
It doesn't say anything about a abort button on it, does it?
What about these 2 wires? I've got top blue and I've got bottom white. I've got 9 seconds.
Right, if there is more than 1 blue wire, cut the last, when the top, so last
I've gone for it. I'm dead.